Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, entertainment gossip. So if you are someone who likes some gossip just like me, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Guys, Sol Penduga has been suspended from Ikaya FM. He was suspended from Kaya FM, and a lot of people have been saying things, different things. I saw posts on social media, someone saying Guti Sol Penduka was suspended because he said something about DJ Black Coffee's hand, something offensive, and then that's why he was suspended. Like, it's a lot. And people were starting to believe Guti, yes, he might have said something, because we know Mosi Podcast and Chill, guys, they just say anything that they want to say. They have no filter. So like, Vele, you would believe Guti, hey, this guy, he actually said something, that's why he was suspended. But guess another, those were rumors, ne? The actual reason that he got suspended for, and this was confirmed by him, we podcast and chill. So Saul Penduga was suspended pending an internal investigation. You guys still remember the issue of Umini Dlamini suing a podcast and chill, suing Umek G and Saul Penduga for what they said about her and the private parts in Tontonton. So as Umini Dlamini is suing them, Kaya FM decided to just suspend Usol Penduga, until the investigation is over, until everything is over, because that issue is still under investigation. Yabon ayakaphelile. So that's the reason that Sol Penduga got suspended. Le yesandla saka Black Coffee, guys, let's just erase it. Let's just erase it. I saw on Facebook people, yeah, vele Sol Penduga this, how can he do that? No, guys, there's no such thing. You know, and then guess Anna, when he was confirming this, ukuthi yes, he is suspended in Tontontoni. Naye nje unama suspicions ukuthi, you know what, I am probably gonna get fired, guys. When they want to fire you, but they're trying to fire you in a very calm manner. I just think like they are trying to fire this guy. They are trying to get rid of him because nje naye ngathi he is full of drama nje. And then he posted uSol Penduga on social media ukuthi, hayibo guys, I got suspended, the ink is not even dry yet, and then now I'm getting calls from different radio managers. They are allegedly offering him a job. Uthi, like, guys, give me a break, the ink is not even dry yet. So at least, yeah, things are looking up for him. He is already getting calls, if he is really getting calls, or maybe he is just trying to make himself feel better. That's what people were saying on social media. Sol, we feel like when now you are just saying this to make yourself feel better, Puti. There are no calls that we are getting. But like, Sol Penduga has a great um social media presence. He has a great Njentontoni, so obviously he is going to get another job. So we just wish him all the best, and yeah, we wish him all the best. That's all I can say. But Esana, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.